Hi, I'm Tina Patel, and today I'm going to talk about what to do when you've got a builder ready to start your project. Now what? So, there are so many things to consider before you start works. This quick guide considers a few of these, and it is by no means a comprehensive list, but a starting point. Firstly, be clear that you have a detailed price breakdown from your builder and you know what their cost covers. The last thing you want when you think you have a defined budget for the works is to find midway through that the builder says they have not allowed for something. If this is a big ticket item, then this could leave you scrambling to find the money and stuck. Secondly, have you checked your builder's company status? More often than we'd like, we find a customer is about to engage a builder that is either insolvent or has proceedings against them that will lead to them becoming insolvent. Don't fall victim to this if you can help it. If you have a cost that you have agreed with the builder, have you put in place a suitable contract? We would recommend a neutral contract to suit your project, whether it be a JCT one or from the RIBA, Royal Institute of British Architects, or another suitable alternative. Remember, a contract is only ever referred to when things go wrong. But can you afford to be involved in a build with no contract if it does go wrong? Is all your statutory paperwork in place? Your architect should be able to advise you on this, but is planning approved? Has a building regulation submission been made? Are party wall agreements in place with the neighbours? Do you have a pre-start health and safety plan in place from your design team and the builder? Is it a notifiable project? This kicks in when the project exceeds a certain size and duration on site. In addition, if you have a mortgage, it is likely that you will need to notify your mortgage company that you are having works done. If not, you may be in breach of your mortgage conditions. Have you defined who is insuring the site whilst works are ongoing? Again, similar to your mortgage company, you are likely to be in breach of your building's insurance if you do not notify them that works are about to commence and the specifics around notification. We are finding many buildings insurance companies are no longer insuring homes that are having works done due to the perceived risks involved, and this may mean that you need specialist cover for the duration of the works. If you fall into this camp, we'd advise you to speak to a specialist insurance broker who can outline what type of cover you need. Have you agreed payment terms with the builder? How regularly will you be making payments and for how much? If your project is managed by an architect or project manager, you'll find that you may be able to advise when payments to make and when, relative to works completed on site. Our recommendation is to never pay huge amounts upfront. Pay someone to protect you so that you are not paying for works that have not been done properly. As a courtesy, let your neighbours know that you are starting works. Inevitably, this will lead to a smoother build in the event of any issues that impact the neighbour. We hope this mini guide was helpful and that your build goes smoothly.